There is a machine that cuts, carves, engraves, and manufactures any part with precision down to tenths of a millimeter. That works on its own while you sleep. That makes no human errors. That produces in 1 hour what an artisan produces in a day. And that costs less than $800 in China for its desktop version. It's called CNC. Computer numerical control, and most people believe it's for engineers with years of study, for large industrial factories, or for budgets of tens of thousands of dollars. That belief is the reason why in most cities around the world there are 0 small local manufacturers using it. And that gap is exactly the opportunity. Today we are going to look at exactly how to make money with a CNC without being an engineer. The types of machines, the products it manufactures, the customers who pay for them, and the math behind what it generates. If you want to import a CNC directly from China correctly, the full imports course is in the link in the description. Subscribe and turn on the bell. We begin what a CNC is and why you don't need to be an engineer to use it. A CNC machine reads a digital design file, the same one anyone can make using free programs like Inkscape, Canva, or SketchUp, and converts it into precise movements of the cutting or engraving tool over the material. You don't need to calculate anything. You don't need to know mechanics. You design on the computer or download a free design from the internet, load it into the machine, and press start. The machine does the rest. The real learning curve to produce simple wood or acrylic pieces with a desktop CNC is between 3 and 5 days of practice, not 5 years of university, 5 days. The 3 types of CNC you need to know. Type number 1. Desktop CNC router for wood, acrylic, and plastic. Price in China, $300 to $2,000. The desktop CNC router uses a rotating bit that cuts and carves soft materials like wood, MDF, acrylic, leather, dense foam, and soft plastic. It is the most versatile and lowest investment type to start with. A machine with a 40 by 40 centimeter work area, sufficient for most artisanal products, costs between $300 and $600. A 60 by 90 centimeter machine costs between $600 and $2,000. Products it makes: decorative wooden letters, carved topographic maps, custom puzzles, business signage, picture frames, decorative figures, silicone molds, custom furniture pieces, replica monuments, and gift items with complex designs. Type number 2. CNC laser cutter and engraver. Price in China, $300 to $3,000. The CNC laser uses a concentrated beam of light that cuts or engraves without physical contact with the material. It can cut thin wood, cardboard, leather, fabric, acrylic, and paper. It can engrave on wood, glass, ceramics, leather, painted steel, and acrylic. A 5 to 10 watt laser engraver for craft use costs between $300 and $800. A 20 to 40 watt laser for cutting wood up to 10 millimeters costs between $800 and $3,000. Key advantage over the router: it produces no dust. The cut is cleaner and faster on thin flat materials. The engraving provides higher photographic detail. Type number 3. Metal CNC milling machine for precision parts. Price in China, $2,000 to $15,000. The metal CNC mill works with aluminum, steel, brass, and copper to produce precision parts for the automotive, aerospace, medical, and electronics industries. It requires the highest investment and yields the highest price per part produced. A CNC machined aluminum part that costs $2 in raw material can sell for between $20 and $200, depending on design complexity. The 10 most profitable projects with a CNC. Product number 1. Decorative wooden letters and numbers for interior design. Production cost: 50 cents per letter in 3mm MDF. Selling price: $2 to $5 per letter in home decor stores. The interior decor market for custom wooden letters sees steady demand for weddings, nurseries, offices, and homes. An order of 10 letters to decorate a baby's room represents between $20 and $50 with 50 cents in materials. Product number 2. Topographic maps carved in multi-layer wood. Production cost: $3 to $8 in materials. Selling price: $40 to $120 on art and decor platforms. Topographic maps carved in layers of wood of varying thicknesses, creating a 3-dimensional relief of a city, region, or world map, are the highest priced decor product per square meter in the entire CNC craft decor industry. The design file can be downloaded for free from open access topographic databases. Product number 3. Custom signage for local businesses. Production cost: $2 to $8 per sign. Selling price: $30 to $120 depending on size and complexity. Every restaurant, barbershop, retail store, and medical clinic in your city needs interior signage. The reception nameplate, door numbers, bathroom signs, chalkboard menus. With a CNC, you can produce that signage in wood, acrylic, or PVC in hours at a price point no conventional print shop can match in handcrafted finishes. Product number 4. Custom puzzles with photo or exclusive design. Production cost $1 to $3 in wood and photo paper. Selling price $15 to $40 as a custom gift. The CNC cuts the wood into puzzle pieces with a unique outline impossible to replicate industrially. A custom puzzle with a photo of a family, a wedding, or a special place commands a premium price in the market for unique birthday and anniversary gifts. Product number 5. Silicone molds for soap, candles, and craft resin. Production cost $1 to $4 per mold in wood or acrylic. Selling price $10 to $30 per mold in craft stores. Other artisanal producers of swabs, candles, and resin are your best customers. They need exclusive molds with unique designs that conventional stores don't carry. With a CNC, you can build a business within the business, selling molds to the people making the craft items featured on this channel. If you made it to product number 5, the next 5 have the highest margin per piece. The imports course is in the description. Product number 6. Wooden photo frames and pictures with complex fretwork. Production cost $2 to $5. Selling price $25 to $80. Fretwork, geometric patterns, and intricate lattice designs that the CNC carves in minutes would take hours of manual handcrafting. That time saved by the machine is the margin captured by the business. A wooden frame with medium complexity geometric fretwork takes 12 minutes to produce and sells for $40. Product number 7. Replacement parts for local industry. Production cost variable depending on material. Selling price 3 to 10 times the material cost depending on the part. Local businesses, repair shops, and small manufacturers need specific replacement parts that aren't in industrial catalogs and take weeks to arrive from factories under normal delivery times. With a metal CNC mill, you can produce those parts in hours at rush pricing that customers pay without negotiating, because the alternative is shutting down production. Product number 8E2. Custom laser engraved leather goods. Production cost $2 to $6 in leather. Selling price $20 to $80 per item. Laser engraving on genuine or synthetic leather creates the dark matte finish used by the luxury leather goods industry to customize wallets, belts, portfolios, and accessories. A $5 leather wallet engraved with initials or an exclusive design sells for between $30 and $60 in premium accessory stores. Product number 9. Wooden decor for weddings and events. Production cost $1 to $4 per piece. Selling price $15 to $50 per piece. Weddings, quinceañeras, and corporate events represent the highest unit price market in the craft decor sector. Centerpieces with names, fretwork letter arches, custom table numbers, photo displays, uniquely designed card boxes. A full decor order for a 100-person wedding can represent between $2,000 and $5,000 in revenue. Product number 10. Prototypes and parts for local inventors and startups. Production cost, variable selling price, 3 to 15 times the cost of materials. Inventors, industrial designers, and product entrepreneurs who need a physical prototype of their idea before mass manufacturing have no local alternative in most mid-sized cities worldwide. An acrylic or wood prototype that costs $50 in China plus 2 weeks of shipping can be made in your workshop in 24 hours for $150. The urgency of an inventor wanting to see their idea in 3D before their next investor meeting is the most powerful pricing argument in this business. The math of the business. A $900 desktop CNC router working 4 hours a day produces between 6 and 10 medium-sized wood or acrylic pieces per shift, depending on design complexity. With an average selling price of $20 per piece and a daily output of 8 pieces, daily revenue is $160. Monthly over 25 active days, $4,000. With material costs ranging between 15 and 25% of the selling price, net monthly margin is between $3,000 and $3,400. The $900 machine pays for itself in the first month of active operation with sales to 10 regular clients. How to start without being an engineer? The first step is downloading the free design software included with the machine. Most CNC routers from China come with Lightburn for laser or candle and Estelcam for routers. Programs with YouTube tutorials racking up millions of views. The second step is practicing for 3 days with low-cost materials. 3mm plywood available at any hardware store for under $2 per square meter. The third step is producing the first 10 real pieces using free designs downloaded from repositories like Thingiverse, Etsy Digital, or Design Bundles, taking well-lit photos and posting them on Instagram with the text. Made-to-order customization included 48-hour delivery. The fourth step is selling, and customers arrive before you even finish the first week because nobody else in your city has the machine or the products you produce. A CNC doesn't require you to be an engineer. It requires you to be consistent. The software handles the design. The machine handles the cut. What you bring is 3 days of learning time, the discipline to post every day, and customer service that makes your first buyer return and recommend you. If you want to import a CNC directly from China without intermediaries and without the mistakes that cost most people weeks of delays, check out the full imports course in the link in the description. Leave a comment telling me which product on this list you would manufacture first and what city you're from. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell because every week we show machines and industries that move real money. Unfiltered. See you in the next video. The 5 markets that pay the most for local CNC work. Market number 1. Restaurants and food service businesses. A signature dining restaurant that pays $200 for a menu printed on conventional paper will pay double for a menu carved in cedar wood with the house logo. A bar using plastic cups will pay between $10 and $25 for wooden coasters engraved with its brand identity. A newly opening cocktail lounge needs between 20 and 100 pieces of custom signage that no conventional print shop can supply with the handcrafted finish a CNC produces. Market number 2. Architects and interior designers mid to high-end interior design projects require unique pieces, decorative room divider screens, wall panels with geometric patterns, room numbers for boutique hotels, reception signs matching the project's visual identity. The architect or interior designer is the highest volume customer per project and the highest paying per piece on this list because they work with decor budgets where each piece represents a tiny fraction of the overall project cost. Market number 3. Corporate gift industry companies spending on Christmas gifts for 1 or 200 employees or appreciation gifts for key clients are constantly seeking options beyond the usual chocolates and wine. A wooden plaque engraved with the employee's name and company anniversary, a decorative piece with the corporate logo and a personalized message, a wooden desk set with brand identity. Corporate orders between 100 and 500 pieces priced at $10 to $30 each represent between $1,000 and $15,000 in revenue per contract. Market number 4. Entrepreneurs of other craft businesses. Handmade soap producers need unique molds. Candle makers need custom stamps. Bakery producers need cookie cutters with exclusive shapes. Ceramic artists need stamps for their pieces. All of them are your direct customers. They are entrepreneurs who already know what they want, have the money to pay for it, and don't have the machine to make it. Your CNC gives them what they can't get in any conventional store. Market number 5. Educational and scientific sector. Schools and universities with technology and design workshops need components for academic projects. Physics and chemistry labs need supports, bases, and precision parts not found in catalogs. Museums and science centers need replicas and scale models. Made-to-order manufacturing for educational institutions brings a client profile that pays formal invoices, meets payment terms, and generates referrals to other departments in the same institution without any extra sales effort on your part. The complete equipment you need in addition to the CNC. The CNC is the central machine, but 3 additional elements complete the production workshop. The first is a low-power industrial dust extractor. The CNC router generates wood dust and acrylic particles during cutting. A $50 to $100 industrial vacuum connected to the router dust port keeps the work area clean and protects the machine's electronic components from dust buildup. The second is CAD/CAM design software. Beyond the free software included with the machine, access to vector design software like Inkscape or Fusion Tracing Suentai. Free version allows you to import more complex designs and generate toolpath files in standard formats that any CNC on the market can read. The third is a design library. Platforms like Etsy Digital, Creative Fabrica, and Design Bundles feature libraries with thousands of CNC ready-cut files in SVG and DXF formats, most under $5 with a commercial license. Buying 20 or 30 market-proven designs for online sales speeds up your first months of production without having to design anything from scratch.